In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your exhaust CVVT solenoid in your Kia Soul. It's located in the back of the engine. We're going to take our plastic engine cover off. It just has rubber grommets holding it on. So you just pull it off. Disconnect your connector by lifting up this tab. There we go. I'm going to use a 10mm socket. And we are going to unbolt the solenoid. Once you crack it loose, you should be able to just take it out with your fingers. Set your bolt aside. All right, so you're going to shimmy a screwdriver in there and pull gently. And take it out. So we're going to put some 5W20 oil, same as what the engine is, what it asked for, and just pour a little oil over that before we install. All right, so now we are going to place the new one in. May have to give it a little extra pressure because of that O-ring. Put our bolt back in. Use a 10mm and snug it up. Do not over tighten. Just use your wrist strength to tighten it. And we can reconnect our connector. When you hear the click, you know it's in. All right, now you can put your cover back on, lining it up. Once that's secure, you can start your vehicle, make sure it runs well, and then take it for a test drive.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.